So I'm gonna talk about the Inspire 2 today. So a lot of people always see this and ask me like, yo, what is that from iRobot? Like make jokes and stuff because of the size. It's a lot bigger than, you know, regular drones compared to like the Mavic Air 2. So this is a DJI Inspire 2. So it's a commercial grade drone. I got it specifically for the automotive filmmaking. I know I needed a drone that can keep up with the cars and get those really nice cinematic shots that I needed. So big pluses about this drone is you can change the camera if you want to upgrade the camera. So right now I have the APS-C camera on. You have a full frame camera as well. It's a separate unit you buy. Also the lenses are interchangeable. So right now I have a 45mm. That just means my shots are a lot more zoomed in and focused on the subject. Other things, fast, the drone is quick, very quick. Another big plus to it for anybody who knows about drones. So this drone, the wings go up, the legs go up essentially, and allows the camera to spin 360. So I don't have to turn the drone physically to keep up with the subject. I can fly the drone straight while the camera locks into the subject. Another big thing about this drone, you can dual operator. So you two controllers, one person flies the drone and another person controls just specifically the camera. So as I said, it's meant for professional commercial grade use, and that's what I intend to use it for. So stay tuned for some footage.